Eat 3 dates every day for 1 week. This is what happens to your body. If you like sweetness on a Friday night, something new and exciting, or something that will give you energy and perhaps a little skip in your step, then you are likely someone who likes a good date or even several. And whether we are talking about a romantic outing with another person or an edible sweet fruit, it mattered not. Dates out to dessert or dates for dessert are both as awesome as they are healthy for the body and mind. Colon cancer. Along with ensuring that food moves through the digestive system at a healthy rate, dates also make sure that the gut itself is healthy and free from harmful bacteria. And when the digestive system and gut are working well, then so is the colon, resulting in a reduced risk of colon cancer. Those who consume dates had enhanced colon health because dates increase the growth of good bacteria, inhibiting the growth of colon cancer cells. Long-lasting energy. Dates contain the natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose that will give you a quick burst of energy when you need it. And unlike energy bars or drinks, dates contain other healthy components like fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamins, and antioxidants that will keep those levels up and not send you quickly crashing down. Improve digestive health. If you want to keep things in your digestive system moving along nice and regularly, dates are just the thing to do that. In just a 1 cup of serving of dates, you will get 12 grams of fiber. That's 48% of your recommended daily intake. The right amounts and right kinds of fiber can benefit your digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movement. Dates are most definitely the right kind of fiber to do the job. In fact, people who consumed 7 dates per day for 21 days showed improvements in stool frequency and increase in bowel movements compared to when they did not eat dates. Be smarter. Dates contain vitamin B6 that has been shown to improve performance of brain by helping the body make serotonin and norepinephrine. Serotonin in turn regulates mood, and norepinephrine helps your body cope with stress. Low levels of vitamin B6 are linked to depression. So, when your brain is clear from stress and in a good mood, then it is sharp and ready to learn and retain information.